Hey, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? Another day in the markets today, deep in summer. What are we? Monday, August 19th, 2019. Let's get it going. So we're putting this thing up here way before pre-market cracks up. So we may have a little bit of a change going into the actual trading session, but so far we got five going on our watch list, coming off of a strong just a kind of a turmoil of a week, just gaps. I'm not gaps. We had just chop left and right in the market across the board last week. SPY obviously closed very strong, up just north of 4 points. So we're going to see if the market's going to continue with that sentiment. But like I said, we got five going into our watch list. This is pre-market. So again, we may have a change going into the session, but as of right now, this is what we got cooking. So we're going to kick it off with NVDA. As you can see, they had a monster day, off on the gap up going into after hours on Thursday, and then obviously it continued to run on Friday as well. Had a little bit of weakness right at the bell, and then kind of show some strength going into about an hour or so into the bell. So that being said, we're going to be bullish on NVDA. Obviously it's testing the 50 and the 200 day on the daily. So if it can definitely overtake those two levels, then we're going to see some more push to the north side. Obviously this is contingent on whether SPY is going to be continuing to run as well. So we're just going to sit back and wait and see what the pre-market's going to give us, and also what the early session in the morning is going to give us as well. So we're, as of right now, tentative bullish on NVDA. Next up, we got Apple. Kind of the same situation, just traded closed just south of 5 points. We got an initial 208 price target. Obviously, again, we're going to see contingent on SPY kicking off in the morning and pre-market as well. But at 208 and 208 gets a breach, then obviously the 210 should be right around the corner here, because it has a Apple obviously has a decent ATR. So we're bullish on Apple if it continues to push up across the board, especially if tech sector is green as well. Disney. Disney, they're in this channel. Obviously, they're in the low end of the channel. They showed pretty good back-to-back Thursday and Friday days. So, Wednesday obviously consolidated, Thursday consolidated, and Friday had that nice run going with the market. Nothing too crazy, just south of 2 points to the upside on Disney. But we think it's going to be pushing higher. We think it's in the low part of the range. We think it's going to retest this 50-day in the near future. So right now we're bullish on Disney going into Monday session. Tesla closed up, strong, but we think it's going to be putting lower highs and lower lows. We think it's going to be coming down to this 200 level. I'm not too convinced that this thing is done. I think it was pushed up with the market overall. So we are bearish on Tesla again. We have to see what's going to happen with the session pre-market once the boys step in at 8 a.m. and going into the bell. But right now, before pre-market, we are bearish on Tesla going into the session. We're going to wrap it up with Baba. Baba had a solid run, as you can see, back to back. We had a 175 price target. We got breached. It obviously, all eyes are on the 180 level. We think it's going to be some profit taking today. So we're not sure it's going to reach the 180. Overall, I think it's going to continue, but I think that we're going to have a pullback before that happens. So we look for a red day today in Baba, and will give us some opportunity to take some base hits here and there. But overall, we think it's definitely bullish, because obviously a lot of good news coming out of China about this going in the exchanges. Anyway, so we're going to be bearish just for today for Baba, but overall we're bullish on Baba. So anyway, that's what we got, guys. We got five going into our session. As we always say, if you guys want to know how we're doing and how we're trading these stocks, how we're building our watch list, trading the securities that we do day in, day out, definitely invite you to come check out the site at thestreettrading.com. We'll sort you out on the 90-day course, and just get that question answered, get that confidence up, get the conviction up, get the focus right, get the patience where it needs to be. And just believe in yourself, guys. You guys can make this happen. Just gotta have patience with yourself, and just keep persevering. All right, guys. So listen, like we always say, reach out to us, give us a call, and shoot us an email, whatever it is best for you to get this ball rolling. We're here for you. As always, we always say, just be patient. Be patient with price. Be patient with your setups. Let everything come to you. Do not chase. And as always, respect your stops no matter what. All right. Risk management, guys. All right, guys. Listen, have a great day in the markets. If you have any questions, reach out to us, and we'll talk to you soon.